Yes, Jai Gurudev children. In last class, beta, we had learned chapter number 4, that was power and exponent. Okay. Now chapter number 5 is not coming in your means your syllabus has reduced now due to this coronavirus situation. Okay. And now in that case, chapter number 5 is not in your syllabus. Okay. So after that, now we are going to move on the chapter number 6. Okay beta, and chapter number 6 is also nothing is new in this chapter, because these kind of equations you have learned in class 6th and 7th also. Okay beta, see that what is your chapter, linear equation in one variable. Okay, and what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable? I have written here, a simple equation in one variable can be written in the form of, what is the standard form of linear equation in one variable? That is, a standard form is ax plus b is equal to c. Okay, and where a is called coefficient, a is called coefficient of x, b and c are constant, b and c are beta constant. For example, we have taken example x minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, here if I would like to the x is variable, x क्या है इसमें वेरिएबल है. इफ आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट व्हाट इज द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, देन आई कैन से ना इट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 into x, 1x. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x, वैल्यू ऑफ a 1 and value of b -3, value of c 5. Okay, same way another equation can be 2x is equal to 31. So these both are linear equation. Mean in these two cases you can see that you have only one variable x, it may be y also. अगर means in place of x you can take y also, आप इसमें y भी ले सकते हैं, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं आपको x ही लेना. Okay, the example of linear equation are, linear equation has an equality sign. In both the cases you have seen the equation having equality sign. Okay, और equality sign means कि जो इधर लेफ्ट वाला पार्ट है that is known as left hand side. I have mentioned it here, and 5 part on the 5 in this equation is on the right hand side, so it is known as the right hand side. Okay, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, for some value of x, किसी न किसी वैल्यू के लिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड क्या होंगे, बराबर होंगे. ओके, सपोज इफ आई वुड लाइक टू, you have equation now, see that here x minus 3 is equal to 5 is suppose. Okay, so by try and error method you can identify what from x what should be subtracted to get 5 ना, from what, किस में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमको 5 मिले, तो what it can be 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Yes or no? So in this way left hand side and right hand side both are coming equal. So what is the value of x? 8. What is the value of x? 8. Okay, it means this 8 is the solution of the equation. इस x की जो वैल्यू निकल कर आएगी that is known as the value of the equation, or the sometimes we also says that roots of the equation. या तो उसको सॉल्यूशन भी बोल सकते हैं, वैल्यू भी बोल सकते हैं, और रूट्स भी बोल सकते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओके, आई एम होपिंग दैट एवरीबडी ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द लीनियर इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दैट. मीन्स इन ईच एंड एवरी कंडीशन वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल. हमको क्या करना है, एक्स देखो कांस्टेंट क्या होते हैं, न्यूमरिक वैल्यूज आर ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट. न्यूमरिक वैल्यू ना, सी दैट हियर व्हाट आर द कांस्टेंट, 3 and 5 आर कांस्टेंट. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? एक्स है ना, वेरिएबल माने जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है. ओके, सो दैट इज एक्स. नाउ सी दैट हियर वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम लीनियर इक्वेशंस. सी दैट 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. हमको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. ओके, सो वी विल नॉट डू एनी अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन अलॉन्ग विद दिस 2x. ये 5 है, हमको यहाँ से इसको हटाना है. So what we can do, if I will write -5 along with this, then +5 and -5 will become cancel. Okay, so what you will do, 2x plus 5, और यहाँ पर एक आपको क्या बोला मैंने, -5. तो वट एवर ऑपरेशन यू आर डूइंग इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, सेम ऑपरेशन आपको क्या करना है राइट हैंड साइड में भी करना है. तो आप यहाँ भी क्या करेंगे, -5. Are you getting it? Maybe. Okay, now plus 5 and minus 5 will become cancel. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 5 2. अब हमको we don't want this 2 here. So what we can do? We can divide the equation by 2. How? 2x upon 2 is equal to, यहाँ भी वही करेंगे, 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 will become cancel. So what will be the value of x? X is equal to 1. Okay, it is simple method. Or otherwise one more method we have, है ना, which in last classes also I taught you. At that time also when the children, those were not understanding this method, see that, है ना, that 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, here this plus 5 is that I am transposing. आप क्या लिखोगे? Transposing 5 plus 5 on right hand side. Okay, so when it is plus 5 na, it will go here and it will become minus 5. See that 2x is equal to 7 minus 5. This plus 5 we have transposed here. So 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 upon 2. So x is equal to 1. So both the method are correct. It depends on your choice that which method you are going to adapt. Okay, see that one more question I am doing. Okay, see that beta, x upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4. What I told you, we will not do any operation along with this x right now. Okay, so what you will do, यहाँ plus 1 upon 2 है, so what you will do, minus 1 upon 2. See that x upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to, same operation on right hand side also, 4 minus 1 upon 2. Maybe everybody of you have understood this. This plus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 will become cancel. So x upon 4 is equal to 4 2 ja 8 minus 1 upon 2. So x upon 4 is equal to 7 upon 2. Now we don't want this 4 here because we need the value of x. So what you will do? Multiply this by 4. So 4x upon 4 is equal to 7 into 4 upon 2. Whatever operation you are doing in the left hand side, same operation you have to do on the right hand side also. This 4 and 4 will become cancel. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. So here only x is left. So what will be your value? X is equal to 7 2 ja 14. X will be 14. Okay, it is simple beta, nothing is difficult in this type of question. One more question I am going to do. See here. Okay, these are from your textbook and then from the textbook also I am going to give you. Okay, see that how you will do. See that now. See that beta now. Okay, what we have equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. What we need, don't want, plus 6 we don't want. So what we will do? Minus 6. See that 2x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 6. Okay, so plus 6 and minus 6 will become cancel. 2x is equal to 8 minus 6 2. So we don't want this 2 also along with. What is our aim in this? कि whatever the means we have to make the variable alone. हमको क्या करना है? वेरिएबल को क्या करना है? अलोन करना है, उसको अकेला करना है. तो हमको आगे आगे जो जो ऑपरेशन करने होंगे हम करते जाएंगे जब तक कि वो एक्स अकेला ना रह जाए. आर यू गेटिंग इट? नाउ वी डोंट वांट दिस 2. सो हाउ इट कैन बी रिमूव? अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन 2. सेम प्रोसीजर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑल्सो. ओके, ये दोनों कैंसिल यहाँ, ये ऑल्सो 1. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1. सो how much simply we can do this one. Okay, one more I am doing. See that now. I am going to give lot of question for your practice so that you can do them. Okay, see that 4 plus 5y is equal to minus 1. 5y we will not do anything. ये plus 4 है. What we will do now? Minus 4. ये लिख लिया, इससे पहले लिख लिया. Then plus 4 plus 5y is equal to minus 1 or minus 4. Are you getting it? Now plus 4 and minus 4 will become cancel. 5y is equal to -1 or -4. How much it will be? -5. Now we don't want this 5 here, so divide by 5. So 5y upon 5 is equal to -5 upon 5. 5 and 5 will become cancelled. 5 1 ja 5. So what will be your answer? Y is equal to -1. Y is equal to -1. See that 1 upon 2 plus 3x is equal to 5. No need to do anything with this. This is plus 1 upon 2. So what you will write? 1 upon 2 and 1 minus 1 upon 2 you will write from your side. Plus 3x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 2. है ना. Whatever operation you are doing after the given number you will write that operation. उससे पहले नहीं लिखेंगे आप. क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद में लिखेंगे. Are you getting it? अब हम देखो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. So 3x is equal to 5 2 जा 10 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. 3x is equal to 9 upon 2. So what will be the next step now? See that we don't want this 3 here. So 3x upon 3 is equal to 9 upon 2 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 and 3 will become cancelled. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. It will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay. Further more question I am going to do based on this. Okay. Some more questions we are going to solve based on this, and then we will reach to the next one. See that now extra question I am taking 5x is equal to 2x plus 7. Okay. Whatever method we are learning na, that is not always that method is not true for every question, because the long question we cannot do by this method. See that what's our question? 5x is equal to 2x plus 7. Okay. Here in this kind of question you can do by that method also, but for this you will say that ma'am why we are removing this? Because already x variable is on the left hand side, so we have to remove this 2x from here. And how we can remove? Here plus 2x is there. Okay. So what you will do? Minus 2x. So whatever operation you are doing on right hand side, that you will do on the left hand side also. So see that 5x minus 2x is equal to minus 2x plus 2x, because it is plus 2x or plus 7. Okay. So they both will become cancel. 5x minus 2x, 3x is equal to 7. Now we don't want this 3 here. So 3x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3. So 3 and 3 will become cancel. So x is equal to 7 upon 3 will be your answer. These extra question I am taking apart from your book. Okay. Because in your books few questions are given. But sometimes you will feel that if you will do this method na, it will take long time. Okay. In the bigger question. So at that time we should know the transposition method also. And what is transposition method? See that. Now, how we will do by the transposition method. See that suppose we are having the question, this is 1, okay, and this is 2. So how you will do? 3x upon 7 minus 2x upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 35. You know na, we can do whether LCM we can take, or either by cross multiplication also we can do. So how it can be solved? 3x into 5. What sign will come in between? Minus. Here 2x into 7. And in denominator what it will come? Directly you can do 7 into 5. 7 into 5. On right hand side it will remain as same, 4 upon 35. Okay. Now 3 5 ja 15x minus 7 2 ja 14x upon 7 5 ja 35 is equal to 4 upon 35. I taught you that whenever the numbers are equal, whether in numerator or in denominator, and between equal sign is there, directly they can be cancelled. Directly they can be cancelled. So 15x minus 14x, how much it will be? 1x. 15x minus 14x means 1x. Okay. So I am doing in front of that 1x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. It will be your answer. Okay, so in this way other means equations I am sending you, and you just try to solve them. Okay, you just try to solve them. Now I am coming to the beta. Here also I have left in your exercise 6.1 D and E part of this question number first I have left for you, so that you can do practice them. Okay, so by any method, by the transposition method or by this method, you can find the solution. See here. Now come to the question in a means statement question, or which we are saying that word problem. See that what is the question. The perimeter of a rectangular garden, okay, is 146 meter. Rectangle's perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter, just wait. Perimeter of rectangle. Everybody knows, maybe I am hoping that all the children know the formula perimeter of rectangle. It introduced in class 3rd and 4th. 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now what is saying that its length is 4 meter more than twice of its breadth. Okay, what he is saying, write it here. Length is equal to 4 meter more means plus 4. More means plus 4. 4 meter more than twice of its breadth. Twice of its breadth means 2 into breadth. So what will be length? Length is equal to 2b plus 4. Okay, and breadth will be remain as b. Okay, so and what is the, and perimeter is how much? Perimeter also you have given how much? 146. Now put this in the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now according to the statement you have set that length is equal to 2b plus 4. Length is equal to what you are having? Length is equal to 2b plus 4. है ना, just now we have decided. So perimeter 146 is equal to 2 length 2b plus 4 or plus b. Maybe everybody of you are getting it. Okay, so bring it here. 146 upon 2 is equal to 2b and 1b. How much it will become? 3b plus 4. Now you can see that it will become a linear equation. 2 7 ja 14 or 2 3 ja 6. 73 is equal to 3b plus 4. Okay, now by the transposition method and as well as by that trial and error method also we can do that. Okay, now see that 73, we don't want this plus 4 here, so what operation we can do here? Minus 4. So 73 minus 4 is equal to 3b plus 4 or minus 4. Okay, this will become cancelled. 73 69 is equal to 3b. Now we don't want this 3, है ना, so what we will do? 3b upon 3, and here also same operation, 69 upon 3. Okay, so this will become cancelled. So b is equal to 3 2 ja 6 or 3 3 ja 9. What will be your length? B is equal to 23 centimeter. See that how we have done this question. Okay, so in this way statement question are there, and finally you have seen that it is converting in the form of a linear equation. It is converting in a form of a linear equation. Okay, now see that one more question is there. The sum of two numbers is 75. If one of the one exceeds other by 15. Okay, sum of two numbers. Suppose x and y is how much? 75. Okay, it means x plus y is equal to 75. If one number means suppose x is equal to, exceeds means plus other number. What is other number? Y. by 15, y plus 15. Okay, see that one more time. If one number we have taken, suppose x exceeds means plus, exceeds more are coming always for the plus. Okay, one number exceeds plus 15, then the other number we have taken as y. Okay, now put the values here. In for x, what you will put? Y plus 15. Okay, in place of x, what you will write? Y plus 15. But for y, it is already y. No, there is no change for y, so it will remain y is equal to 75. Okay, now see that plus y and plus y. How many y? 2y plus 15 is equal to 75. This time I am doing by the transposition method. This plus 15, if we will shift on the right hand side, what it will become? Minus 15. So see that 2y is equal to 75 minus 15. Okay, plus 15 on the right hand side, it will become minus 15. Many children are writing 75 plus 15. They are wrong. If this is plus on this side, when you will shift in the right hand side, it will become minus. If minus is there, then it will become plus. Now see that 2y is equal to 75 minus 15. How much? 60. Then y is equal to 60 upon 2, because this is in multiply, so it will go in its denominator. So y will be 30. So it will be your answer. Okay, we can verify also this. How we can verify? He said that one number. Okay, one number. What we have taken, one number x is equal to other number 30 plus 15. 30 plus 15, 45. What will be the value of x? According to the verification, x will be how much? 45. And y is how much? 30. And what was the question? The sum of two numbers is 75. If you will add them, what you will get? 75. It means you are true. Whatever solution you have done, that is correct. So in this way you can do the question. Okay, now we are going to the next one. Now see that beta, what is the next question? See that one of the two whole numbers, okay, is 6 times the another number. One of the two whole numbers means two whole number are there, and one number is 6 times the another. Okay, their difference is 80. See that. Let the two numbers are you just take, let one of the number is, just wait, let one of the number is equal to x. Okay, then what is saying? One of the two whole numbers is 6 times the another. Okay, one of the two whole numbers is 6 times the another. And suppose another whole number, another number is equal to 6 times to the other. So 6 into x. Okay, सपोज पहला नंबर क्या है? x है, तो दूसरा वाला क्या बोला उसने? 6 times the other. Okay, it means which will be the greater? Obviously 6x will be the greater. And उनके difference कितना है? 80. It means difference is equal to 80. Difference means 6x minus x is equal to 80. 6x minus x means 5x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 upon 5. So x is equal to 16. Now come to the, now see that we will check the answer. Okay, one of the number is this. What is the value of x? 16. And another number, what will be the value of another number? Another number, suppose we are finding 6 into 16. What it will become? 96. Now see that their difference. 96 minus 16. It is coming equal to 80 or not? So it is verified also. We are not going to do verification, but for your knowledge I am explaining you the verification also. Means in algebra there is no need to means directly you can check the answer. Okay, You don't require to follow the answer sheet. By checking, putting your values, you can check the answer also. Okay, now see that beta. What is the next question? See that now. What is the question? 3 consecutive integers add up to 69. Okay, means if we will add 3 consecutive numbers, what is their sum? 69. Okay, so how we will do? See here beta. Let the 3 consecutive integers, I taught you in earlier class, last class also, that how we are taking the consecutive integers. Let the 3 consecutive means continuous. Consecutive means beta continuous. Consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. And what he is saying that the sum of 3 consecutive add up means sum is what is there? 69. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2, okay, is equal to how much? 69. So how many x are there? 3x plus 3 is equal to 69. 3x is equal to 69 minus 3. 3x is equal to 66. So x is equal to 66 upon 3. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. First number will be 22. Okay, what was the second one? That was x plus 1. X means what is the value of x now? 22. So 22 plus 1 is 23. Okay, third one is 20x plus 2. X is how much? 22 plus 2 is 24. Okay, now if you will add that 22, 23 and 24, you will see that how much you will get their sum? 69. So in this way your answer is also coming true. So okay, so up to here you will complete. Okay beta, and afterwards in the next class we will start from the question number 6 to onwards, and I will same for your personal practice, I will send you the same kind of question in your assignment form also. Okay, then till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.